In this video, I'll be discussing how you can share a FinAware case with someone outside of your organization or agency. First, super admins can see any case uploaded by a user or an admin. If you're not the super admin, to see other cases uploaded into FinAware, you'll have to be provided the shared URL for that case. I'll show you how you can get the shared URL for a given case in FinAware. Here I'm at the login screen. I'll click login. I'll sign into my account. I'll go to the FinAware case that I want to share with someone else outside of my organization, or perhaps even sharing it with an admin in my organization. I select my case from the case dropdown right here. Here the case name is Share a Case Example. And then I click this Share button right here in the top. The options on what I wish to share within this case are provided. So there's a few things here. I can toggle on and off what aspects of this case I wish to share. So I can select which features I wish to share with whoever has this shared URL. And here we can see if I unclick Download Excel, anyone with this link won't be able to download the Excel data underlying this case. If I unclick Check Analysis, then if there are any checks in this case, this user won't be able to click on Check Analysis and see those checks. So each one of these components allows or disallows this functionality when I share this link. So you'll select whatever information you want to share for this given link, and then you'll click Get Shareable Link. And you can provide that link to someone, and they will be able to then access the case. And if you ever want to change your configuration settings, you can come back to this Share button and then click Change Configurations and then uncheck or check any of these permissions. Now you can also provide a shared URL which has a time limit. So if we unclick URL to never expire, I can make this link active for 10 hours in this case. I click Share URL and you will see it tells me how long this shareable link will work for how many hours. Now with that, I will put this shared URL into a browser, and here you see I'm not logged into my account on the top right. You don't need a FinAware account to use this, and then I have drop downs for each of the visuals that FinAware provides. And if I were to click a permissions that's not allowed, it would naturally not allow that. So here I'll unclick Download Excel. So here when I try to download the case data, it shouldn't let me. So here we've updated the link. Let's put this in here. And now there's no download possible. This is downloading the table, but it's not downloading the transactional data in the Excel format. So if we go back, let's edit this link to allow data download. Copy it again. And then here, now you see in the top right, we do have download Excel because I've re-allowed that. And then I can open up this file and I have access to all that data. So each one of these are permissions that you can add to allow access to these different visuals and analytics and different functionality within the software. So this share URL is how you would provide access to your case. Again, a case is just a collection of PDF files that you've uploaded into FinAware at one time. and you upload these files to this quick actions and new upload. I hope you found this informative. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.